How to freely move a picture anywhere you want on the Word document. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can move a picture freely anywhere we want on the Word document. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your Word document where you want to insert the picture. So once you have opened it up, first of all, in order to insert the image, click on the insert option from this menu bar at the top of this interface. Here click on pictures and go to your device and then choose a picture that you want to add in your Word document, then click on insert. So once you're here, if you click on it, as you can see, you won't be able to move this image anywhere you want. But in order to move it freely, here navigate to this menu bar at the top of this interface and then click on layout. Once you're here, now click on wrapped text and then click on behind text. Once you have done that, now come to the picture, click on it, and you can drag and place it wherever you like in your Word document. So that's how you can place a picture wherever you want on your Word document freely. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.